Something just happened in Austin, Texas. Almost nobody is asking the right question. March 21st, 2026. Elon Musk walked on stage at the Seaholm Power Plant, a defunct power station in downtown Austin. Texas Governor Greg Abbott was in the audience. And Elon announced the largest chip factory ever attempted. $20 to $25 billion. 1 terawatt of computing power every year. He called it TERAFAB. Tesla, SpaceX, XAI. 3 companies, 1 factory, 1 goal. Why? Because every chip supplier on Earth, TSMC, Samsung, Micron, combined, can only produce about 2 to 3% of what Elon says he needs. 2 to 3%. For self-driving cars, for Optimus humanoid robots, for Grok AI training, for Starlink satellites, for Mars rockets, for orbital data centers. So he decided to build the rest himself. His exact words, most epic chip building exercise in history, by far. And then, we're starting a galactic civilization. Galactic. Not interplanetary, not solar system. Galactic scale. A terawatt of compute. Still small, Elon says, in the grand scheme. Still small in the grand scheme. Now, let's be honest about what critics are saying. Business Insider called this Elon's biggest risk ever. Tesla's costs already enormous. Building a fab this scale typically takes 5+ years. Powering 1 terawatt will strain Texas's power grid. Real concerns. They deserve acknowledgement. But history says, people said Starship would never land itself. People said Gigafactory was too big to build. Both happened. So the question is not, will TERAFAB work? The question is, what happens if it does? Tesla gets unlimited full self-driving chips. Optimus robots become mass-produced. XAI's Grok jumps generations ahead. SpaceX builds orbital AI data centers. Humanity gets the compute for Mars and beyond. Now here is where it gets interesting. If an advanced civilization anywhere in this galaxy had built something like TERAFAB thousands of years ago, what would they have done with that compute? Design biology? Encode information into genetic systems? Influence life across star systems? We don't know. But we do know this. The genetic code running every living thing on this planet is more optimized, more compressed, more efficient than anything human engineers have ever built. We've studied it for 70 years. We still don't fully understand it. If we, in our infancy, are already imagining using our most powerful tools to decode and perhaps rewrite biology, then what would a civilization millions of years older have done, with similar or greater power? If computing power is the paintbrush of intelligence, what masterpiece might have been painted, not on silicon, but on the very fabric of life itself? On a planet just like this one, a very long time ago. And now, In 2026, we're finally building the tools that might let us understand it. TERAFAB is $25 billion, 1 terawatt of compute, the most powerful chip factory in human history. And it still struggles to match what is already running inside you. Let that sink in. Are we the first civilization to reach this moment? Or are we simply the latest to finally get the chance to ask it? Think about it.